Just got out the shower and got done blow drying my hair, and today I'm going to style my hair using Firsthand's Clay Pomade. Now you might not know this, but Firsthand Clay Pomade was actually featured in GQ multiple times and was part of their spring collection subscription box because it could be used on both wet and dry hair, and it gives a very nice natural looking hold and volume without giving any shine. For this pomade you really don't need too much of it because the hold is very strong. So I usually just use an amount like this, which I would say is even smaller than dime sized. From here I like to put the pomade around my inner middle knuckle and then work it through the webs of my fingers, like this. From here, all I do is sort of go at my roots and pull up and slightly to the side because I like to do a right side Asian quiff. And there you have it. In less than 2 minutes, my hair is styled, and as you can see, has a very nice, natural looking volume and texture to it. So if you're looking for a high quality pomade that will give a very nice, natural looking finish and work for you regardless of your hair type or how you like to style your hair, then pick up some of Firsthand Clay Pomade for yourself and you'll be ready for your next magazine photo shoot.